Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is International Chernobyl Disaster Remembrance Day. International Chernobyl Disaster Remembrance Day is observed on April 26th every year. The day focuses on the prevention of future nuclear disasters. On April 26, 1986, the worst nuclear accident in history took place. The horrific event occurred in Chernobyl, Ukraine. This disaster was the result of a flawed reactor design that was operated with inadequately trained personnel. The accident caused the largest uncontrolled radioactive release into the environment ever recorded for any civilian operation. Large quantities of radioactive substances were released into the air for about 10 days. This caused serious social and economic disruption for large populations in Belarus, Russia, and Ukraine. The radioactive cloud also contaminated food sources throughout Europe. Nearly 8.4 million people in the three countries were exposed to radiation. On December 8, 2016, the UN adopted a resolution to designate April 26th as International Chernobyl Remembrance Day. In its resolution, the General Assembly recognized that 3 decades after the disaster, there remain serious long-term consequences. The General Assembly invites all member states, international organizations, etc. to observe the day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.